welcome to the channel and this deep dive into the Haystack AI Agent project. Today, I will explore how its powerful open source framework enables developers to create production-ready applications powered by large language models. Whether you are building a simple chatbot or complex multi-modal AI application, Haystack has two tools you need. Okay, so Haystack is an open source framework developed by Deepset that allows for the creation of advanced AI applications. And we can go ahead here and we're just gonna see those basic informations about it. Okay, I'll be leaving the link to Haystack and its GitHub page down inside the description of this video. All right, so it supports various functionalities including retrieval augmented generations like RAG, document search, and question answering. With its flexible components and pipelines architecture, developers can customize their applications to meet their specific use cases, making Haystack a versatile choice for AI projects. The most key features of this particular one, okay? So it's highly customizable. Developers can build on top of the Haystack flexible architecture and create tailored solutions for their needs. Its multimodal capabilities, okay, not limited to text. Haystack can handle tasks like image generation and audio transcription, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. It's conversational AI. With standardized chat interface, creating engaging chatbots becomes more straightforward. Agentic pipelines, Haystack supports complex workflows through branching and looping capabilities, allowing for sophisticated agent interactions. And it's also production-ready framework. Designed with deployment in mind, Haystack's pipelines are fully serializable and integrate seamlessly with Kubernetes workflows, ensuring your application is ready for real-world use. So now let's talk about the building the applications with Haystack. It's very easy through Deepset Studio. Okay, this intuitive platform allows users to drag and drop common components to construct pipelines quickly. You can bring your own files or connect to a database, deploy on Deepset Cloud, or export them locally. Plus, testing and debugging your prototypes is simple and free for everyone. Okay, now let's talk about some use cases. Okay, it's content generation. Okay, utilize Jinja 2 templates to create content generation engines tailored to your workflows. Advanced RAG pipelines. Okay, build efficient RAG systems with various retrieval and generation strategies. It's community engagement. Join the vibrant Haystack community on Discord or attend events like OpenNLP meetups or connect with other developers. Okay, those demos I'll be leaving obviously link to the website there, and you can go to the demos and you can go and check it out yourself. Okay, those demos are here and you can start using them and see how they've been built, so you can gather some ideas and making your own things with Haystack going forward. Okay, with all those resources at your fingertips, you'll be on your way to building innovative AI applications. Also, as mentioned, I'll be leaving this link to the GitHub page, okay, where there is a number of people who actually are involved in this project, okay, and I think, let me have a look here. Look, it stars 18,600 stars on GitHub. Okay, it's a huge project, right? Let me see how many people are actually visit this website. About 6,500 people on a monthly basis are visiting Haystack AI. So it's not as like a starting off. Okay, they already there. Okay, they know what they're doing. Okay, simple pip install Haystack AI. You can click on it, go and install it. Okay, you can get started with Haystack, get started with Studio, and so it's like you can go and start testing it on your own. It's free for everyone. It's an open source, so go ahead and start doing your own thing. Okay, guys. In summary, the Haystack AI Agent project offers a robust framework for developing cutting-edge applications. With its customizable architecture and extensive community support, it empowers developers to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI. So thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the AI technologies. If you have any comment, just leave it down below, and thank you very much once again.